Hello! Today, this is our look for, so we're going on a triple date. And
yes,
that's going to be shown later on in the video at the very end after like the whole makeup process.
We're going to try to vlog some of it. We'll see, because we always get distracted. I feel
we're just like, oh,
I got food! Yeah. So yeah, we'll definitely try to keep you updated with that. But we came up with these 2 date looks
on the fly.
If you want to see how we got these looks, then just keep watching.
Go in with my YSL 24 or All Hours foundation.
I'm gonna use my NYX Honey Do Me Up. I've been really liking this stuff. That's my
Ooh, what is that?
It kind of feels like the snail slime consistency, but I don't know. It like keeps my face from looking crusty, which I
appreciate. And I wet my sponge earlier with some water and now I'm dabbing it. Dip, dip, dip.
No! I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow in Ceylon. I wish it had a pump though. For this one you have to buy a pump separately.
Really?
Which
That's
is really
dumb.
stupid. Yeah.
I'm gonna go in with my Jouer concealer. I'm using #1 porcelain. At Din Tai Fung. If you guys don't know what that is, you missed out.
Dim sum.
It's dim sum. It's like a chain from Taiwan, right? Mm-hmm. And they made 3. There's now 3 of the chains in the Seattle area. So we're gonna go do that and then go play a bit of some arcade games at round 1. Which, if you don't know what that is, it's a chain from Japan. And I think there's like only 2 round 1s from the last time I checked in the United States. So it's pretty cool that there's one in the Seattle area.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. It has like everything you could ever want.
The only thing I care about is the Mario Kart game.
Oh yeah.
Because, come at me.
I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade.
Oh, I'm just going in with my drawing eyebrow pencil from Etude House. I actually then, after this, go in with my, with a taupe shadow from MAC, which I can't find right now. Awesome. Great. Amazing. Oh, it's called Coquette. This is a really good eyebrow shadow thing.
Ooh, yeah.
I think for especially like Asians.
Just gonna set my brows with a powder. It's just the one from Wet n Wild that I've had for ages.
Dude, that thing's getting ratchet.
Dude, it is ratchet.
It's pretty gross. So this is my look, guys. I'm done.
Great. Are you going for this snowball effect?
Yeah, because it's still winter time, so it still works.
She's disgusting. Gross.
You like it?
I do.
Okay, we're gonna start our eyeshadow looks now.
I'm gonna go in the Urban Decay Naked Basics, and I'm using the shade Pre-Game, which is like a yellowy cream color.
I'm gonna go in my Amber Times palette from 9 and go in this pinky color right here. Just to create a gradient effect.
Yeah, I'm just putting this shade all over the eyelids, you know what I mean?
Is that your accent?
What are you talking about?
You have a funny accent.
What?
What?
What? What? What?
Okay, literally if anyone knows where that reference is from, you're a new best friend. Because half of the conversations that Chanel and I have
are from that quotes from the movie. Yeah. Into my Tartelette and Bloom palette in the color Charmer as my brow bone highlight.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in tease and just concentrate what I already have done.
I'm gonna go in with Sweetheart in the Tartelette and Bloom palette as like my transition shade.
And then I'm gonna go in Busted in like, I don't know, a concentrated, I don't know what this is called. A dome brush. And just concentrate this on the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, and then as a last measure, I go in Chopper, which is right next to Tease. And I just put this like on where I just put it.
I went in with Rebel from the same Tartelette and Bloom palette. And I'm darkening my outer half of that eye.
I'm gonna go back in the Amber Times 9 palette from MAC and just go in that middle top color here as my inner highlight.
Okay, and after I darken that, I'm gonna go back into Sweetheart and kind of like fade that in. I'm gonna go in with Sweetheart on the bottom lash line too with a little pencil brush.
I'm ready for my eyeliner, so I'm gonna just go for that. With a flat liner brush like this from MAC. And just get in towards, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio in brown gel liner. And just get really close to the lash line.
The lashes. The lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into my Femme Rosa She palette from ColourPop. I think I'm gonna mix this like pinky thingy with this gold.
Yes.
And see what happens because, you know, that's how I roll.
Now I go in, I don't even know what this was anymore. This was NYC wet liner? Eyeliner?
Yeah.
Yeah, in black. After I take my sip.
Oh, I didn't even drink my tea break. Oh yeah.
Reminisce of our old wine days. It'll come back, guys. It'll come back.
It'll come back, yeah.
Once Chanel finishes her program. That makes it sound like you're like a part of like an Alcoholics Anonymous
I'm in
program.
the AA.
No, she's just going to school.
And now I'm gonna go in with Ladylike in the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna darken up the outer corner a little bit more because I think the shimmers lightened it up a bit. So I'm gonna go in with a mixture of Leader and Activist from the Tartelette and Bloom palette and like, you know, do my little line trick. And then I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I used to darken my outer corner with a little bit of Rebel on top and blend it out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ah
We need to stop.
yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Voluminous Lash Paradise per Chanel's suggestion, and but it's so good. But it does dry out faster than other mascaras.
Yeah, I noticed that too. I think it's because the top doesn't have like a... Okay, so I'm just taking a dark eyeshadow and kind of doing a...
Did you want a brow eyeliner?
Nah.
I'm just going in with my second coat now because I want my lashes to be like touching the sky.
They're always doing that.
No, they need to be more. They need to be praising Jesus.
Save some for the rest of us.
Just because your lashes aren't as religious as my lashes should not.
Mine are probably atheists because they're non-existent.
Go back into the Urban Decay palette, going with a smudge brush and
Smudge brush.
and go in with the color Busted, which is what I was using earlier as the dark inner corner or outer corner color.
I just curl my lashes and I'm gonna put my falsies on because I don't feel like doing mascara. It's really tedious, right? These are the Andrea 92, number 92 lashes that I always use. And I'm just using my tweezer man.
Tweezer? Oh, I thought you meant, I thought that was like a tweezer comma man. Like, man, I'm just using my tweezer.
I'm just using my tweezer man.
What's up, man?
When have I ever said man?
When you're...
Actually, yeah, I said that.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh man. I want to warm this up a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my Shortcake eyeshadow from Skin Food. Number 1 is the color. It's just the gold one. Just going to go in with my pinky.
I think I'm out of lash glue. Oh, never mind. Oh god.
Oh, I hate it when that happens. Okay, I'm gonna do some contouring, so I turn this potato into a sculpted, beautiful tot.
get to the point of making a makeup line, let's just do all potato, weird potato stuff. And Pink Panther. Our bronzer is gonna be called Do Not Leave Europe or Asia of the Americas.
Amazing.
And if we ever come out with a black or like a, like a, what is it? Monochrome shadow palette, we can call it
How would you spell it out?
Don't steal our ideas, okay?
How would you spell it out though? This newspapers.
I don't know.
Because it has to be clear that it's not newspapers.
Maybe we could write newspapers, but then like take a picture of both of us saying like
or do like a little recording button.
Oh,
so every time they like open it up, it's newspapers. So I'm going in my palette called newspapers. How do you like that?
It's too ugly even for me.
Not for me. I can deal with it. And then I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and just sculpt to become a tot.
A sculpted tot.
There. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Gentle Mineralized.
Why you're going too fast?
This is me trying to go slow, guys. And I'm just going in with my Eco Tools brush right here.
Okay, I actually got this. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal, but it's in the color Toast.
That's a concealer?
Yeah, but I use it as contour.
Okay, I was about to say, girl, that's hella dark.
Yeah, but I'll like just draw it on.
I'm gonna now go into my highlight with ColourPop Super Shots Lunch Money. This is my favorite highlight so far that I've ever tried. I love it.
Dang good price too.
Yeah, I think it's $8. It's a very natural highlight. I don't like it when girls wear highlight and it's like darker than their skin. Which is why I don't think I really like the colored highlights, like the purple ones that they're coming out with.
Oh yeah, because you can totally see it at different angles.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I know some people are, but I just don't like it.
So then I'm going in with like a little angled fluffy brush and like blending that into my face. So I could become a little sculpted top. Okay, so I don't blend it in all the way and I just go in with whatever foundation's left on my sponge and kind of do it that way. Because mostly it just saves time.
I'm gonna go in with Chanel's Shiseido BE306 liquid lipstick.
I think I'll cream contour too because we're not leaving till later. So I kind of want it to stay. I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow palette. It's like the cream contour called Shade. And I'm just gonna place that on my cheekbones. And blending that in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. After I cream contour, I'm gonna go in with the other side of the same palette in the color Sculpt. It's like a more cooler tone contour shade, and just go right over what I just did.
And I is done, everybody. This is my look. What you think?
Bomb, as usual.
Thanks. Oh, thanks.
I just need to do highlight and I'm done. Okay, and then you just have to, or I have to get dressed and do my hair, but
this is our look, guys.
our looks for tonight. We'll try to vlog later too.
Yeah, we are going to be vlogging. Show you guys what we're eating, and then the games that we're going to be playing and beating the boys at.
Okay, well, if you enjoyed these looks, give us a like and comment down below what you thinking, and subscribe.
Oh god. She like went like this in the middle of that. That felt so bad. Oh.
Subscribe and yeah, let us know what you're doing for this long MLK weekend. If you have a break.
It is MLK. I don't.
That sucks. I do. But yeah. Anyways, we'll see you next week.
Yep.
Yeah.
And until then,
Cheers
to a good week, guys.
Bye.